Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Let us start our next tool. Next tool is Distort tool. It is very interesting tool. For Distort tool, let us create one thing first. Let us create a polygon tool. Sorry, I want polygon. Increase the number of points. Fill any color. Okay. After that, here go to Distort tool and choose first option on the property bar, push and pull direction. Tentatively, you have to select the center and just drag the mouse. Okay, you can also just slightly drag the mouse like this. Which type of flower you want to draw? Suppose I want to draw like this. Okay, after that, let us remove the outline. Okay, here is the very beautiful effect. It look like very interesting shape. Okay, like this, with the help of the stroke tool, you can create any flower. As I told you, you can create a different type of flowers. Again, use polygon, increase the number of pages, fill with any color. You select the distort. If you drag on left hand side, in such type of flower is created. But if you drag on right side, then this type of flower is created. You can also change it. Let us copy paste it. Go the different color. Click on the center. Just drag it and remove the outline. Go to pen and no outline. Okay, like this, you can create any type of drawing as you want. Okay, this is push and pull option. You can also use this option for different shapes. Okay, after that, again, let us see the next one option. For next one option, suppose I draw here square, rectangle. Okay, now the next one option is zipper. Again, here click on middle and just drag this line. Like this zipper will create it. But if you remove the outline, then the effect is very beautiful. Like this, you can find a effect of zipper. As I told you, you can use this option for different shape. And let us see the output. You can also use this shape for circle. Remove the outline. Again, go to distort. First of all, zoom it and drag this handler. Okay, keep the middle. Okay, like this, you can see the effect. Okay, now let us see the next option. The next one is twister. For twister, let us create a star. Can also increase here number of edges. fill with any color, texture or pattern. Click on Distort and use Zipper, sorry, Twister, and slightly just drag it like this. Okay. Let us do one thing. I undo this, copy, paste. Here we want to star. You can give the zipper direction clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here again, I want to give the zipper direction. I roll it multiple times. Okay. And now let us remove the outline. This is also different effect. Okay. You can use such effect for text also. You can use effect of twister or push and pull and zipper for text. Let us use zipper zipper of effect for text. You can fill it with fountain fill. Okay. You can also bold it. Now let us apply the zipper effect. This one, zipper. Again, zoom it and move the handler to the left side or right side. Okay, like this you can create a zipper effect for text also. Now you can notice that you can use this tool, distort tool, with any type of shape, or you can also use this tool with text. But while using this tool with text, then you have to remember one thing: your text should be in readable format. Okay. Thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.